Okay, let's look at homework 5.4, 5.5, number 8. Right, so we have a definite integral given, which represents the area between two curves, and we need to sketch the graph. Right, so let's do that. All right, so we have a top guy and a bottom guy. So the first guy is always the top, so maybe I'll say this is the top guy. All right, so this is the bottom guy. Oops, if I can spell it. Bottom guy. All right. So top guy is going to be just straight line. So top is going to be a y equals x minus 5. All right. So we just have to let's see. It's probably nice to know y-intercept. Y-intercept is going to be -5. Right, then maybe I'll just find a slope. Slope m is going to be, maybe I should write the slope. In this case, 1. Right, which this should be all right. And the bottom one, right, bottom one is a quadratic function, so it's going to be a parabola. So y equals x squared plus 4x minus 5. Right, so we need a vertex to sketch the graph. So I'm going to just complete the square. So x squared plus 4x. Right, put -5 right at the end, giving some room. Right, the third term we need would be 1/2 of 4, which is 2 squared. So it's going to be, we need 4, so add 4, then subtract 4. Right, so it looks like vertex is going to be, let's see, we have to complete the square. So quantity x plus 2, 1/2 of that number, squared. So that will take care of these 3 terms. Right, so you have a leftover term here. So combine that, that'll be -9. Right, so this tells you that vertex, right, so at least we have a vertex is going to be at -2, comma, -9. Right, so we need at least 1 point. So I would just pick a simple point. So another point would be, right, so pick a nice number. I don't know, I like 0. So x equals 0, then plug 0 in here, 0 in here. So it's -5, so it's going to go through -5. So y-intercept is -5 as well. All right, so use that information to sketch the picture. All right, so go over here. All right, so we're going to sketch the line. All right, so it's going to go through -5. So it's going to be right, oops, let's see. That's not it. So I'm going to delete that. All right, -5. All right, right here. Right, then slope is 1. So 1 comma -1 would be good. All right, so that's going to be a straight line. All right, then the other one, forget, let's see, vertex is -2 comma -9. All right, so let's look at that. All right, -2 is right here, and they go down to 9, so around here, right? So click that, and the y-intercept was -5, so I'm gonna go up and right here. Let's see, right there, right. All right, so we have that. Then region is from -3 to 0, so it's a -3 to 0, so we just have to fill that. All right, so I'm gonna fill right here. All right, so that's that. Let's see. All right, let's check the answer. All right, it came back and looks like we got this region correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.